Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Google Keep, organize your notes efficiently using labels. Taking notes is easy, but keeping them organized and easy to find can be sometimes challenging, especially when you are managing ideas, tasks, reminders, and important information. Google Keep offers a simple yet powerful way to stay organized. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create notes and manage labels, color code your notes, and quickly search for information when you will need it. So right now we are at the website of the Google Keep Notes. So this is the URL of the website keep.google.com. So from this section you can access the Google Keep Note. But if you want to access the Google Keep Note in the Gmail section, you can also access it from this right column. As you can see that this is a bulb icon, you just simply click on this and it will display Keep. This is basically the Google Keep. And so if you want to write a note or take a note, you can just simply click on this take a note and it will be automatically saved onto your Google device as well as mobile device as well as your desktop device if you have already logged in with your same Gmail account, okay, on all the devices. So just simply click on the take a note, and in the title section you can write the title of the note. Let's write it title here, and in the take a note section you can write the description of your title. Okay, so that's how basically you can write take notes. So yeah, we are write it here description. Whatever description of your task, you just write it here and it will do the things. Okay, and so I have just write it down. Okay, and if you want to do some changes, you can just simply click on this three dot menu and you can open in Keep, archive, or you can also leave it as pause. If you want to open in Keep, you just simply click on this open in Keep and this kind of interface will come up. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color by selecting this icon. And you want to add a background option, you just simply click on this. Okay, let me show you. You can change the color and pattern as well, and you can also add reminder, and you can also add collaborator, you can add images, you can archive it, or you can just simply add a label, add drawing, make a copy, show checkbox, each and everything you can check this. And in the version history you will see any editable formats, added text that been made changes to this notes, and you will see the history of those changes in that section. So that's how basically you can write or take notes for the important reminders that you want to remember. So that's how basically you can use Google Keep, and you can also use this in the email section. So that's how basically you can use Google Keep. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.